are full of energy, little one. Come here and rest for a moment.
What's that funny noise you're making? It tickles my ears.
That, little Milo, is a purr. It's my way of saying I'm happy and content, especially now that you're here.
What are you doing now? Are you making biscuits?
This is called kneading. We cats do this when we feel safe and cozy.
Are you sleepy, Luna? Not at all. I just gave you a cat kiss. A cat kiss? But you didn't lick me!
It's not that kind of kiss. When we cats blink slowly at someone, it's our secret way of saying, I trust you. Like this?
Yeah.
Exactly like that, little Milo. You're learning the secret cat language.
I'm purring! I'm saying I'm happy too!